Any works in a startup? Anyone? You do, sir? How could you afford tickets? 2 night couple ticket liye kya? Which company do you work at? Gecko. What? Gecko. Real company? चलिए. That's my point. कि आजकल हर कोई startup खोल सकता है. Because I've realized the scam here. You don't even need profits to run a startup. They have this scam called valuation. $1 billion startup running in losses. रोज 50,000 लोग तैयार होके सुबह बाल वाल बना, जिसको है बाल वाल बना के That's not the punchline, that's my hairline. That's 50,000 लोग रोज तैयार होके ऑफिस जा रहे हैं, एक एक ऑर्डर पे लॉस कर रहे हैं. It's a phase called cash burn, where they're burning cash to acquire whatever, I don't know. First time I heard it, it was a big culture shock for me, because like I said, I'm Madu. I heard cash burn, I'm like, you're burning cash, really? Did you mean burning Bahu because cash didn't? It's our culture. Relax. So I have a pitch for you guys, a pitch presentation that I call Bark Tank. Okay? हमारी कोई शाखा नहीं है. We have no branches. कोई और अगर ये नाम से चला रहा है, दोगलापन है उसका. Okay? Now, being Bangalore, I'm going to pitch some startup ideas for you guys. You guys can be the first angel investor only at rupees 999. Huh? I have a QR code tattooed on my, I'll tell you. So you can scan it and invest and be my first angel investor. Are you ready, guys? Yeah? If you like the idea, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, shut up. Yeah? Cool? First startup idea. How many of you wear a Fitbit? Anybody? Garib hai kya? Nobody? Really? Good, so I can connect with you. I also don't, as you can see, right? You know Fitbit, no? Yes. My wife is one of those maniacs who wears a Fitbit and randomly in the middle of the day checks her own heart rate and increases her heart rate with anxiety. देखा है वो? In the middle of work, randomly, मेरा heart rate क्या होगा? 83, 95, 120. मत देखो ना. Fitbit is that device so every 5 minutes it will vibrate and tell you what to do. उठो यहाँ से, walk करो, पानी पियो, सासू माँ के पैर छुओ. अबे, मैं तेरे को खरीदा, तू मेरे को खरीदा. That's why, for those who don't want to be, you know, Fitbit level fit, but who just want to be a bit fit. That's the idea, guys. That's the idea. It's called BitFit. Thank you. So, as you can see, the circles are a little different here. Let me tell you how it works. Bucks. क्या होता है इसमें? You wear it and it will not vibrate. Only once in 15 days it will slightly vibrate and say, "Hey, मोटे हिलना, मर गया क्या? बैठे बैठे स्ट्रैप टाइट हो गया तेरा, हिल." It's interactive, yeah. Any investors? It's a deal, yeah. 999 rupees. You can be my first. No, nobody. Cheapsters. Let me tell you what the idea is. After 6 months of using BitFit, you go to the premium version called BitFat. Because they will get fucking fat, yeah? Now, anybody? Yeah? फालतू में ताली बजा रहे हो. मेरे को लगा पैसे आएंगे. छोड़ो. I'll move on. No investors for sure? Okay. This is where most startups fail. Most comedians also. Next idea. Anybody with constipation? No, just me? Shit. Okay. It's been proven that music can really harmonize your system, right? So I have an idea for a music app that can cure constipation. It's called Spotify. इसमें क्या होगा? You hit play, you'll hear the exact beat, exact note, exact lyrics that you need. Play दबाते एक बार आजा आजा because it hurts when you're going after 12 days. There are different genres also, like soulful, Avija, Avi, or romantic, Din Hagna, whatever. Just any song works. I'm in love with the poop of you, whatever, just fit whatever. Anybody? No? Thank you, cool. Next one. Anybody? IT guys? Software IT? No need to cheer. Fuck, mad over. You're in IT? IT कौन you? Where's your free bag? वो laptop वाला bag लेके right? IT people are scared that ChatGPT and all these apps will take away your jobs. But I have an idea for you that's the opposite of ChatGPT. It will actually help you get promoted. It's called Boss की ChatGPT. Okay? इसमें hold on, genius है, wait. उसमें you put in prompts and then it will tell you कि कहाँ चाटना, कैसे चाटना, क्या लगा के चाट. Yeah? Okay, I have some naughty startup ideas also. May I? May I? Yeah, sir, आप ऐसे गुरु मत मेरे को. Cool. All right. So the first one, you guys have all booked your tickets on Book My Show and stuff, yeah? But it doesn't cover all the verticals of entertainment. I have an idea which covers a very important genre. And I call this one Book My Ho. Okay? So it's like an aggregator. It's like a platform where you go, you select which city, how many people, duration, you know, 90 minutes, 30 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever, you know. And last me, you donate 1 rupee to the Book My Ho Foundation because social cause, right? You're not just a pervert. Are you? Okay, 2 more ideas and then I'm going. Last chance, guys. You know, Netflix gives you so many shows, but it doesn't cover all genres. I have a specific genre that I want to cover. Adult HD videos on this app called Wetflix. इसमें क्या होगा? The USP of the app is 10-minute tissue delivery. So that before you come, your tissues will come to you. Anybody? No? Yes? Cheapsters. Last idea, then I'm gone. Okay, this is a fintech naughty app, okay? You want to be the first investor, it's going to go unicorn. It's a fintech naughty app called PhonePe hi. इसमें क्या होगा? You make your payment online and बाकी सब PhonePe hi. Founded by Ashleel Grover. इसका actually when you make a payment, there's a lady who says PhonePe hi करो ना. किस कलर की चींटी? That's my time, guys. Thank you so much. Give it up, your host. Thank you. Marketing is basically a guy saying, "Hi, हमारे कंपनी ने ये क्रीम बनाया, आपको चाहिए?" Question mark. They'll ask. Sales is different. Sales is hi. हमारे बैंक ने कार्ड बनाया, आपको चाहिए? Full stop. अभी ले रहे हो कि रोज फोन करो 2 साल तक? Then there's the new age digital marketing, which is basically go on Insta and there's one auntie saying, किस कलर की चड्डी पहने हो? 1 million plus followers. बाकी ब्रांड चुत्ती की तरह सर फोड़ रही थी वाले ब्रांड स्ट्रैटेजी टारगेट ऑडियंस. आज कुछ नहीं पहने हो ना? सब पता see all real audience. सब पता चल रहा है.